Ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
Hello there, I'm Dylan, aka The Wise Sith. I'm back again with another unboxing, and today is currently December 25th, Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. Hope everyone's having a good holiday. Ended up getting this for Christmas. Baylan Skoll, 6-inch, Black Series. I think recently he was going for about around $10 on Walmart.com on sale. So if he's still on sale and if you want to get one, might as well go pick one up, because that's a good deal. Especially this one. This one's the Mercenary edition. So yeah, okay. So I'm gonna currently unbox it. Well, let me look at the box real quick. Let's see. So we got Star Wars Ahsoka, Baylan Skoll, Mercenary, Star Wars Black Series. Then we got the side art. Baylan Skoll, Mercenary. That's pretty cool side art. Then we got the back. Got some more info about them. Another piece of art. It's the same art as that. Nothing on the side, just says Black Series, Star Wars. Nothing on the top. Bottom is just all info. Alright, let's get into it. Got a little box cutter. Okay. Slide him out. Set the box to the side. There he is. Let's get the lightsaber out before I get him out. Just do that. There we go. Set that right there. Take that back over. Now let's get him out. Hang on 1 second. There he is right here. Alright. Right there, okay. I guess I do that just for packing him in there. Yes. Just the back of him. And go ahead and take this cloak off. Put that right there. Oh yeah. Got some good detail on him. All the clasp in the back. Shoulder armor. Got the gauntlets. Yeah, got the little comms on there. Articulation is pretty nice. Yeah. Legs. Okay. Feet. I think only been about that much. Okay. Yeah, this is a nice figure. I tried cosplaying as him for last Fan Expo Dallas last year, or last June. Tried to makeshift his costume as best as I could with whatever I had. I gave myself a week. I might find a picture and pull it up here. And yeah, let's get that in there. Actually, I think that would go right there. Yeah, just like that. The head is like very good detail. The hair, you can see the grays in it and such. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Well, all in all, I like this figure a lot. You can pick them up on Walmart.com. I don't know about now, but could be still, but on sale for like 10 something. I believe there was tax and shipping. I can't remember. But yeah, that's good still. I mean, they're usually like $20 to $30 for these figures. I think this one said it was originally $30 something, and being $10, might as well. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little unboxing, and be sure to like and subscribe, and may the force be with you always. Also, Merry Christmas.